We are used to products and equipment that are always available and work well. So, how do we deal with products that reach their end of life? When opening up a product, we not only learn about its engineering, but also its environmental impact. By augmenting information, we understand the value and complexity of each component. Discuss, share, and decide. Repairing is a communal effort powered by shared knowledge. Repair and reuse not only save money, but also conserve our precious resources. Extracting and reusing valuable elements reduces the need for fresh mining and its environmental impact. Repurpose and remanufacture to breathe new life into old items, giving them a new story. Embrace the 10 R's. Let's make our world sustainable, one product at a time.